Hello friend, my name is Ibadu Rahman. Today I am going to teach you how to use these three words correctly. First one is exactly, second one is always, third one is never. So first one is exactly. This is most important word in English language. Mostly people they are using this word. This word make the perfect sentence. For example, exactly I will go there. Follow my direction exactly and you will find the airport. He will do exactly what he wants. So this is the example of using exactly. When the people sure about that this thing we will do, then we use exactly. You can see in the first example is that exactly I will go there. In this sentence I said that exactly I will go there. That means I'm sure I will go there. Next one is always. How will you use always? If you are doing something constantly and you do something every time, always like on every occasion I am doing something. For example, we always sleep late on Saturday. The light is always burning. If it rains, I can always stay home. So you have seen in the first example which work we are doing constantly is that sleeping. All Saturday we sleep late. Second one, in this example which work is going on? Burning is going on exactly constantly in this example. The light is always burning. The third, in this example, which work is going on? Stay home, this work is going on constantly. When the situation is clear like raining on that, I can always stay. Next one is never. Never is like something we don't want to do our life. If that thing you want to explain, then we should use never. For example, it never happened with me. I will never do this thing. Never mind about your mistake. In the first example, we have seen that some situation never create in my life. Second one, we are saying that some work I don't want to do in my future. That's why I am saying that I will never do this thing. Third one, in this example, someone is saying to someone, don't be panic about your mistake. Or other way, if you want to say, then say like, never mind about your mistake.